Okay, quick video looking at the Snark Tuner, okay, for guitar and bass. If you're wondering what it uses for power, it uses the CR2032 batteries right here. Okay, so once you have your tuner clipped on to your guitar, acoustic, you're going to see the little readout. You got to make sure you turn it on. That's the readout. Okay, so E, and when you see it in blue, that means it's tuned. If it's red, you still need to go up, and if you go over, it's going to go green. You see that? So you want to bring it to where it's blue. Okay, and that's it. You don't want to leave it clipped on unless you have a need to do so. You just want to clip it off. And by the way, when you're inserting the battery, make sure that the positive side is pointing up when you put it into the tuner. That's it. Very nice. Easy to use.